Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to use aloe vera as a pre-poo. As you can see, my hair is really dry, crispy, and it needs moisturizing. Because my hair is thin, I'm going to go ahead and section it off into 4 sections. However, if your hair is thicker, feel free to do 6 or even 8. Okay, the only thing you're going to need is an aloe vera leaf, and this stuff is amazing for your hair. It has so many benefits. So cut it into 2 sections. You will not need the whole leaf, and then after you got those 2 sections, make sure you cut the little spiky end so it doesn't yank out your hair or cause breakage. And then you're gonna cut that in half. As for the rest of the leaf, you can wrap the end with a saran wrap, but I didn't have one, so I'm just using a Ziploc, and then you can put it inside your fridge. It should last up to a week or more. And now just apply from your scalp to your ends, and whenever it looks like the aloe vera is dry, just scratch it with your nail and some more gel should come.
Shine bright like a diamond. 1, 2, 3. Shine bright like a diamond. 1, 2, 3. Shine bright like a diamond. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3. Wish we could turn back time to the good old days when the mama sang us to sleep, but now we're stressed out. How could I replace that? I just wanna see you shake that. Can't you tell me I'ma take that?
Okay, 1 hour later, as you can see, my hair is now moisturized and my curls are starting to come in.
All my ladies, listen up. If that boy ain't giving up, lick your lips and swing your hips, girl. All you gotta say is.
As you guys can see, my hair is now regained its moisture. You can see my curls popping, and where before my hair looked crispy, extra well done. And for us natural headed girls, dry hair is not good because it causes breakage.
My youth is yours, tripping on stars, sipping water. My name is no, my sign is no, my number is no. What you gonna do with that dessert? You can run free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
Some people try, but they can't find the magic. Others get down on their knees and they pray.
Waiting for you to make a move before I make a move.
So baby, pull me closer in the